Hi guys, it's Nancy coming to you today. It's Make It in Minutes Monday, and we are very excited to be sharing this fun fold card right here. And it opens up like that. And it closes. This card right here is showcasing 2 Sale-a-Bration items. Sale-a-Bration runs from January 4th through February 28th. And with every $50 purchase, you could pick something for free in this cute, adorable catalog. So the one stamp set right here, with the purchase of any $50, you get this for free if you choose to do so. We're using that one, Driving By. And then on the next page right here, we're using the Sunshine and Rainbows paper for free with a $50 purchase. So if you spend $100, you get to pick 2 $50 items. So if you do not have a demonstrator, or if you don't have a current catalog, please let us know. We would love to get you one of these and the new mini catalogs in your hands. So here is the stamp set. We're going to be using the car on here with the balloons. We're going to be using this tiny little saying that says driving by just to say hi. So I'm going to grab that as well. Okay, so we're going to be using, there are so many fun different patterns in here. You get so many. Look at all these fun ones. This is the one that we're going to be using. Look at that. And we're using that one. So many fun designs in there. And you get 4 of each, so that makes it even better. Okay, along with today's stamp set, we're going to be using the Stitch So Sweetly dies. And that is where these pieces come in to play right here. So I'm going to take this and put it off the side. We're going to have all the measurements for you in the comments below. There will be a link to bring you over to our blog that'll have all the measurements. Okay, so we're going to be using the clouds for the inside of the card. That will be on the outside. For this piece, we use the largest die for that one. Then we took the second largest and cut 2 pieces in basic white. And then the smallest one we used to cut that out for our sentiment on the front. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be stamping, doing some stamping here first. Now on the front of the card, we're going to have our car, and then on the inside, we're just going to have balloons. So I think what I'd like to do is I want to take and cover up the image, part of the image. You can use your painter's tape. Right now I just have my masking tape that's real close by, or Scotch tape, excuse me. And I'm going to take and just tape off some of the areas that I don't want. Now I don't want the car in there, I just want the balloons to show. We're going to take our Memento black ink, and then we're going to take off these pieces of tape right here. And I'm just going to stamp. So now we're going to take and ink up the whole block, paying attention to make sure that we get all the balloons and all the cars, wheels, the front of the car. All right, so now we're going to bring this in here and we're just going to stamp right on the front. Now I'm going to take our greeting, tap that a couple times in the black, and hopefully I can get this in here. So next we're going to be doing some coloring. We're going to have the list of all the inks in our blog. So now our card measures 4 1/4 by 11. It's scored at 5 1/2. And then we put an extra fold in there at 2 3/4, and that one is actually going to fold back on itself like that. Okay, so this is the inside. We're going to adhere our designer series paper. Then I'm going to take this piece right here and I'm going to lay it right in the middle. And then what's going to happen is when we come to close this, this is going to be right in under, covered up by the top piece here. Next, we're going to put the designer series paper on the front. We're going to layer this piece, our colored car, on top of the Bermuda Bay. Okay, now next comes the fun part. We're going to layer this right on top like so, but we do not want to put glue on this side. We only want to put glue right up to where that edge of the card is. And then next we're going to take and put dimensionals on the back of this piece. And then last, we're going to bring in the new classic matte dots. These are in the mini catalog. And for these ones, I just took and used 3 of the black ones. Well, that was a fun, quick card. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. We're here to help. And also, please make sure to hit subscribe and make sure you hit that notifications bell so that you know when we post any new videos. Thank you so much for joining us. Take care.